Hi, welcome to KK Jewelers. I'm Ruth Kenyon, one of the owners here, and I'd like to show you a few things about our store. Our store has got something for everyone, starting with our $1.99 gallery. Our $1.99 gallery has thousands of items. You won't believe your eyes. We've got a great selection of rings, and how about all the great bracelets that we carry? Stretches, leathers, just all sorts of stuff. We also have a wonderful children's selection, necklaces, bracelets, headbands, and how about all the necklaces and earrings that we carry? I know that you'll find something in this room. I'd also like to show you our accessory room. We have got a great selection of accessories at wonderful prices. Browse our sunglass selection, or how about visiting our bling and bridal case? In addition to bracelets and scarves, we've got so many more things. You've just got to come in and see. I've enjoyed showing you our store. Thanks for stopping in.